The market grid is the centerpiece of many a trader's and broker's workspaces. TT's Market Grid widget allows you to view market data for many instruments across multiple exchanges and organize your display using one or more tabs. In this video, we'll show you how to arrange the display of your market grid, add instruments, and link widgets to the grid. Here, we have a pre-configured market grid set up with separate tabs for financial instruments, grains, and crude oil. The market grid displays market data for each instrument. We have the inside market and can expand to view market depth. The market grid also displays open positions and working orders. Working orders at the best price are indicated by a green background, whereas working orders off the market are indicated by a green border. We can access even more information by right-clicking in the widget to access settings, selecting market grid columns, and checking or unchecking column names. Let's add a column for last traded quantity, then save, and here we have our new column, which we can arrange by simply dragging and dropping. Let's add NASDAQ Futures to the Financials tab by double-clicking on the row we want our new instrument to appear above and using our Market Explorer. We select CME from Exchange, Futures under Instrument Type, then we can click on the Product section and type NQ to automatically scroll to the symbol for NASDAQ. We are given the available instruments and can click the March contract. Now let's also add Dow Futures. If we didn't know the symbol for Dow, we could use contextual search following the categories used in the Market Explorer. We type CME for Exchange and press Tab. Then we type Future for Product Type and again press Tab. Now our search results will only show us futures instruments offered by CME. We type in Dow and that narrows the list of available products and instruments. We can now see that the symbol for Dow Mini is YM and we can see the March contract listed below. We can give indices a label row by right-clicking, selecting Insert Label Row, typing our label name, and pressing Enter. It's very easy to manually roll contracts in the market grid to the next expiry. If a contract has expired or the liquidity has rolled to the next expiry, we can easily modify our display. To demonstrate, we will roll the March Gold contract by right-clicking on the instrument and clicking Roll Instrument. Notice that we now see the April Gold contract instead. Now let's create a new tab for Eurodollars and configure the tab to automatically roll the contracts when they expire. First, click the plus sign and select From a Product. Type CME and Futures, pressing Tab in between each. Then, click on Explore and click in the Product area. We type the symbol for Eurodollars, GE, to select it. Before launching, let's check Auto Roll. Instruments that auto roll are listed in green text. Now we only want the quarterlies, so let's remove the serial months by right-clicking and selecting Remove Row. We can differentiate the contracts by year by right-clicking into the Settings menu and selecting Color by Year. From the Market Grid, you can also launch linked widgets. Linked widgets give you the power to dynamically change the content of multiple widgets in your workspace with a single click. Let's launch linked widgets to view additional information for the instruments in our grid. We right-click in the Market Grid and select Launch Linked. First, we'll launch a chart widget, followed by a time and sales. As we click on a row in the Market Grid, these yellow-bordered linked widgets change to display the information for the selected instrument. Finally, we save our workspace by clicking in the upper right-hand corner. It's easy to see why many traders and brokers rely on the Market Grid. It gives you the ability to access a lot of information in a concise amount of space, and it gives you the power to view and organize market information in the way you want to see it. See other videos in our library to learn how to leverage the Market Grid for order entry. For more information, visit our website at tradingtechnologies.com.